Eka Pada Kapotasana or Pigeon is a great pose to stretch the hips, groin, hip flexors, inner thighs and lower back. In general, open hips improve posture, alignment and overall flexibility. But how to do the pigeon pose? Get into a tabletop position, bring the right knee forward between the arms and rest the lower leg pelvis on the floor. The lower leg is bent toward the thigh. Plant the back foot and lift the knee off the floor to create length. Lower the knee back down and let the foot slide out to the back. Bend the torso forward over the bent leg. Extend or angle your arms. Rest your head on your hands or arms. Shoulders and face remain relaxed. To release the position, push up slowly and gently with your hands.